11 Live News at noon starts now.
Hey, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. I'm Faith Jesse. Well, it is day 2 of testimony in a hearing over accusations of misconduct against Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. 9 co-defendants in the 2020 election interference case want a judge to disqualify her because of her romantic relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. Well, today, Willis was supposed to get back on the stand. She was expected to be there, but we learned this morning that likely won't be happening. 11 Alive's Grace King joining us live from the Fulton County Courthouse. Grace, you've been witnessing this since yesterday. What is today's update?
The word we keep hearing when we talk about this case is unexpected, and today really is no exception. We thought we would hear more testimony from District Attorney Fani Willis, but in a surprise move, Special Prosecutor Anna Cross this morning said she didn't have any questions for her. We spoke with Emory Law School professor John Acevedo, who said that decision was likely a strategic one.
She was so passionate yesterday, there may have been concern that the hearing would have gone off the rails again. Judge McAfee did a very good job controlling everyone yesterday, but it may have simply been this witness doesn't have information that's worth the questioning.
Court took an hour-and-a-half break this morning, so we're just now getting into today's testimony. That includes Fani Willis's dad. He testified to all the threats they've received and her relationship timelines.
During the time period of 2019 to the end of 2020, are you aware if Miss Willis was dating someone?
Yeah, she did. She had a boyfriend when I first got there.
Okay. And did you meet her boyfriend?
Yeah, I met him often. I did not meet Nathan Wade until 2023.
And that testimony is in line with what we heard from Willis and Wade themselves yesterday. They both said their relationship didn't start until early 2022, but that does contradict what we heard from Robin Yurdy, who says she's a former friend of Willis's. Willis told the court it's possible that relationship started in 2019. Now, we also heard from former Governor Roy Barnes today. He said he wasn't surprised to see Nathan Wade chosen for the special prosecutor job because Wade is a good organizer. It's also a job Barnes didn't want himself.
I know it was sometime in 2021, and she asked me to come down, and I met with her and Nathan Wade, and there were several other in the meeting. She asked me, said they were beginning this investigation, and she asked me if I'd be interested in being special prosecutor, to which I replied that I had mouths to feed at a law office, and that I would not do that.
And just in the last minute, we're learning that testimony from Fani Willis's dad has wrapped up, but there are still several other witnesses we expect to hear from this afternoon. We'll, of course, continue to update as we hear more throughout the day.
So many developments there. Grace, thank you so much for breaking that down for us. 11 Alive will be covering today's hearing throughout the day. You can watch that hearing on 11alive.com and our 11 Alive Plus streaming app. It is free to download on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV devices.